In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Postmark account. Postmark is a transactional email service that's great for things like welcome emails, receipts, and password resets. We'll walk through the sign-up and the essential first steps so you can start testing and then move into real sending when you're ready. First, open your browser and head to postmarkapp.com. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button. Click it to begin creating your account. You'll see a simple form. Enter your name, a real email address you can access, a username if you're prompted for one, and a strong, unique password. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it generate and save something secure for you. Before submitting, take a moment to review the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. When you're comfortable, accept the terms and submit the form. Postmark will immediately send a confirmation message to the email address you entered. Now, go to your inbox and find the verification email from Postmark. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folders and make sure your email client isn't filtering it into a promotions tab. Open the message and click the verification link inside to confirm your email address. This step is important. Your account won't be fully activated until you verify. Once verified, go to account postmarkapp.com and log in with the credentials you just created. You'll land in your dashboard, where you can explore the interface, create a server for your project, and begin basic testing. To send real emails beyond test mode, you'll want to set up a valid sender. You have two main options. Adding a sender signature authorizes one specific email address to send through Postmark. This is a quick way to get started if you only need a single address. Alternatively, verifying your domain lets you send from any address on that domain. This is ideal for teams or multiple apps. Domain verification typically involves adding DNS records with your domain provider. Postmark will generate the exact records and guide you through the process, and it may take some time for changes to propagate. Finally, if you plan to move from testing into full sending for live customers, you may need to request account approval. Postmark will prompt you to fill out a short form about your expected email usage so they can confirm everything aligns with their policies and best practices. That's it. With your account created, your email verified, and your sender set up, you're ready to start sending with confidence.